Had you ever wanted to perfectly draw one hand yourself? Well, in this video, I'm explaining some tutorials about tips about how to draw ants for your pictures and drawings and art and everything. Basically, just don't trace from yourself, don't trace, just you can use the images of hands if possible for reference and the character lens can be used for to draw because you can use your hands for like a base or reference to draw perfectly and you can make sure to practice for anatomy and make sure to learn more about human anatomy for draw well and most importantly if it's like the animal characters as human ends but as crows and other stuff you can search for the videos about that argument but one important thing is that you can draw the perfect answer if you do practice and practice and practice. So basically, you can simply draw answer very well if you do practice every day what drawing, and you can be self-tough or self-tough or or if you have a high teacher that explain everything. But honestly, learning about anatomy is very important for an underscore career. So after this video, you can subscribe and share for more tips. And if you have new ideas for tutorials, let me know in the comments below. And see you in the next video. Bye.